Mickey Mouse.
You found the ear. Boy, we got all our friends back, but we still have one last piece to find. The pieces of the clubhouse look a lot like Mickey Mouse. Number 1, the pen. Number 2, the shoe. Number 3, the hat. Number 4, the ear. And number 5, the pen. The hand. The hand. Let's see. We found the 4th piece, the ears. Where do they go? Right, in number 4.
So what number do we still need to find?